Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friends, this is me Asya and today I will show you in this video so attractive and very stylish designs ideas of wavy curly hairstyle ideas in short hair and different ideas with haircut. So beautiful collection of hair dye and many much more beautiful collection of wavy curly hairstyle in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hair dye you see in this video. Some ideas blonde color, some ideas burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, ash color, grey color, black color, and some ideas highlights, some ideas highlights in blonde color, some ideas funky color, and so attractive ideas of haircut in short hair. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and some ideas wavy curly in naturally, and some ideas make curl with color, and very attractive, beautiful overall collection in short hair with beautiful hair dye and curly hair styling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very sweet and you look too gorgeous. I hope you like it and try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my videos, your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.